Have you ever wanted to change a habit but found it difficult to stick with it? Maybe you tried to start exercising regularly, eating healthier, or spending less time on your phone, but after a while you slipped back into your old ways. Don't worry, you're not alone. Creating a habit that sticks can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Let me introduce you to the habit loop, a powerful framework that can help you understand how habits work and how you can make lasting changes in your life. What is the habit loop? The habit loop consists of three key components: the cue, the routine, and the reward. Understanding how these elements interact can help you build new habits or break old ones. The cue. The cue is the trigger that initiates the habit. It could be a specific time of day, a particular location, an emotional state, or even an action performed by someone else. For example, if you feel stressed, which is the cue, you might reach for a snack, which is the routine, to comfort yourself. The routine. The routine is the behavior or action that follows the cue. It's the habit itself. Using the previous example, grabbing a snack when feeling stressed is a routine. The third element is the reward. The reward is the positive reinforcement you get from completing the routine. It's what makes the habit satisfying and encourages you to repeat it in the future. In the case of the snack habit, the reward might be the temporary relief from stress or the pleasure of eating something tasty. How to create a habit that sticks. 1. Identify your cues. The first step in creating a new habit is identifying the cues that trigger your current habits. You could keep a journal or use a habit tracking app to record when and where you experience these cues. Pay attention to patterns and look for common triggers. For example, if you want to start exercising regularly, you might notice that you feel energized and motivated to work out after watching an inspiring fitness video, which is the cue. 2. Choose a positive routine. Once you've identified your cues, it's time to choose a new positive routine to replace your old habits. Make sure the routine aligns with your goals and values. It should be something that you enjoy and can realistically incorporate into your daily life. Continuing with the exercise example, you might decide to go for a walk or do a quick workout session whenever you feel motivated after watching a fitness video. 3. Find a reward. To make your new habit stick, you need to find a reward that will reinforce the behavior. Think about what motivates you and brings you joy. It could be the sense of accomplishment from completing a workout, the endorphin rush from physical activity, or the satisfaction of knowing you're taking care of your health. For our exercise habit, the reward could be the feeling of pride and accomplishment after completing a workout, as well as the physical benefits of increased energy and improved mood. 4. Repeat and adjust. Consistency is key when it comes to forming new habits. Make a commitment to perform your new routine regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Over time, the behavior will become more automatic, and you'll start to see the benefits. However, it's essential to be flexible and willing to adjust your approach if necessary. If you find that your chosen routine isn't working for you or isn't sustainable, don't be afraid to try something new. Conclusion. Changing habits can for sure be challenging, but by understanding the habit loop and following these steps, you can create positive changes in your life that last. Remember to identify your cues, choose a positive routine, find a rewarding outcome, and repeat this process consistently. With time and persistence, you can master the habit loop and achieve your goals. If you liked this video, will you possibly like one of these videos as well?